This is $100 Amazon Power Wheels meant for very small children. We're gonna soup it up and make it work for slightly larger children. And we're definitely taking it through the drive-thru. Make sure and stick around.
Hello, what can I get for you?
It does have working doors, easy to get in and out.
You gotta start it up. What? All we did.
Whoa!
Dude.
It's got a horn. It's a race car, so they're center lock wheels.
Yeah. Oh, that looks official.
That looks good. It's a Miata. There's no denying that this is a Miata.
Like all Miatas, you have to have the,
the rollover protection.
The rollover
Critical.
protection, yeah.
Silly me to forget that. Let's go try it.
It looks almost the same size as the Nissan Jeep. Dude, you look so comfortable.
I don't have the doors open. That's why I can't get into it. Gosh.
That's a rookie mistake.
What a rookie mistake.
Closing it is gonna be, dude, if you had
There we go.
over.
All right, let's go for it.
Dude, $100 Amazon knockoff is ripping.
This was a solid mission, but I know we can make it go faster. Oh, the windshield. Yesterday, we maxed out the Miata Power Wheels at about 3 miles an hour. We're gonna try and make it actually hit 20. The plan, we have a Razor electric go-kart with a blown battery. We have an upgraded Razor motorbike with an excellent battery and excellent motor that tops out about 23 miles an hour. We're gonna somehow combine all of these three things into one super fast Miata Power Wheel. So now this motor has to go into this subframe assembly, then the whole subframe will go into the Miata and we'll be ripping. Got the old motor completely stripped out and we just have to throw in the new subframe. It's going pretty easy.
Most YouTubers are doing motor swaps in a day now, so we figured we'd join them.
We gotta clear some stuff out, but that's totally gonna work. Bolt in some type of metal support in here, just for a little bit of safety. A little bit of rigidity, actually.
How dare you bring safety into this?
How dare you?
There's no safety in the car, I meant rigidity. Safety is not anywhere near us at this point of our day.
Woo! That is unpleasant. First test fit. That's actually not too bad. I gotta cut a little bit out of that.
Got our supports welded to the subframe, and now we're going to bolt it to the chassis of the Power Wheel. Picturing mounting the seat a little bit higher to have a little more leg room.
Oh yeah, that'll work great, dude.
Battery tray is dialed, and the seat will go right on top of that. This thing is looking sweet. We're so close, I can feel it. I can't wait to just take it for a rip down the street.
Sheer moments away. Let's see what happens. Huh?
It's China. I'm so excited. I'm more excited for this than pretty much anything we've ever done before. I can't wait any longer. Let's go. Oh, it's definitely heavier than it was before. Here goes nothing. Oh no! The wheel broke immediately. We knew it was possible. I hoped it would last longer than 2 seconds. Pit crew, luckily we got the center lock wheels changed out in no time. Take 2, here we go. Lean forward, no wheelies. I'll take it slow first. There is no taking it slow.
There it is.
It doesn't even turn. It's got too much power. No brakes and no turning, but we can go pretty fast. There's just no way. It's not even understeer, it's no steer.
I'm so nervous. How difficult is it? Oh!
I knew it was gonna happen to one of us, and luckily it wasn't me.
This is the best thing we've ever done.
It mobs! A little more work to do, figure out the rubber wheels, get the rims back on there, foot throttle.
You like it?
I do.
Got me! It was bound to happen.
The lady's like, I was waiting for a kid.
Hey, slow down, Speedy!
It rips! You want to race?
No, I'm okay, man.
Of all the things we've made and done, this gets the most reactions by far. We have a special delivery from Amazon. Throttle pedal for our go-kart and a 3,000 watt motor for the pit bike. Today's gonna be a good day, boys. Now all we need is a battery, so we're gonna head over to Cronus Engineering and build one. Got the throttle pedal installed.
These guys usually build battery backups for embassies and other important buildings. For some reason today, they decided to let a couple idiots build a pit bike battery.
So Gavin has to check the voltages of every single cell because if one is too low, it might start a fire. Yeah. Then we stack them in order, plastic over it, weld them all together, and we'll end up with something just like this.
And I'm quoting, if it's the wrong voltage, it will start a fire. Not it might, it will.
Each cell has to be welded 4 places. Got 80 cells per battery, and then we have to do each side, so there's a lot of welding. We're getting so close. We got the battery controller just about soldered on. It'll seem quick to you guys, but this was a 5-hour process.
Next up is just try it.
We did it, everything fits. We have our battery box in there, ratchet strap, the controller right here. I'm so excited to finally get out, open it up, and do some jumping. Get back to our BMX roots.
This thing is genuinely dangerous. Oh my God, dude. The throttle is insane.
There we go. We have a 3,000 watt electric Razor dirt bike toy and a skate park. Let's have some fun. I wasn't the first one to fall.
I have no idea how to do this with any modicum of safety.
Oh, that was aggressive. Are you all right?
Oh, I'm fine. I thought I'd be better at this, I'll be honest.
That's pretty tight. It could go so wrong so fast.
Yeah, dude.
The skate park was fun, but that's not what the bike's made for. Now we're here at the BMX track. We're going to race the pit bike versus Gavin's BMX bike.
It's honestly anybody's call. I could see it going either way.
We're gonna find out.
Ready, set, go!
I forgot to turn mine on.
Take 2. 3, 2, 1, go!
Got me fair and square that time. It's just terrifying to put any amount of throttle into it.
Oh, I can't even imagine. Like I said, one of us is gonna be a lot more tired after 2 runs.
That is true. I am not tired.
I'm gonna die if I try this even a little bit. No confidence.
You all right there?
I feel so unstable on this.
Jumped a couple of the jumps, not all of them, but we're learning. The whiskey throttle is real. It wants to loop it so hard. But man, that was so fun. Let's go finish the Miata Power Wheels and take it to McDonald's, get some lunch. We got some real size tires on the back now. No wheelies this time.
We DB'd it right
You
away.
beat it immediately. Take 2 on the go-kart. We got some custom bead lock situations to try and keep us from de-beating. That's what bead locks do. Here comes Layla.
Just beaming with pride. It's never not funny.
Does he fall every time?
I don't know about every time, but it's pretty consistent. Did we DB'd?
Nope, it just exploded.
Oh no, that is so
Unbelievable.
frustrating. That is what the most amount of sympathy looks like.
We are finished with our Miata Power Wheels. We kept getting flat tires, so instead of air, now we have foam in there. We switched out our motor sprocket from the 11 to the 13, so hopefully it doesn't wheelie as bad. We can turn! Hey! Yoo-hoo! This is probably the nicest Miata we own currently.
It's definitely the nicest.
All this fab work has gotten me working up an appetite. What do you say we go get some lunch, Dylan?
Let's do it.
Car!
Hello, what can I get for you?
Can I get a hot and spicy, medium fry, and 2 Oreo McFlurries, please?
Okay, anything else?
That's all.
Okay, you can come to the first window.
Thank you.
You want your receipt?
No, thank you.
Do you get asked a lot of questions? Funny looks and stuff?
What do you think about it?
It's nice.
Yes, please. Thank you. Solid build, boys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers. You know I love Miatas, so might as well make love to one.